J10c uses one Shenyang WS-10 Taihang turbofan engine with thrust reported as 135 kilonewtons by Jens in 2020 and 144 kilonewtons by Chinese media. It helps J10c to achieve a maximum speed of Mach 2. J10c has a maximum range of 1850 km with combat radius around 1000 km. It has a service ceiling of 56,000 feet with a climb rate of 60,000 feet per minute. And thrust to weight ratio of J10c is 1.1 with plus 9 G limit. J10c has a radar cross section of less than 1 meter square with the help of radar absorbent material coatings and intake shaping. By using infrared signature, it reduces partial exhaust masking. It have integrated data sensor fusion and the network is capable and compatible with KJ500 airborne early warning and control systems.